Okay, guys, I've got a joke for you. Why don't cats like playing cards in the wild?
Tell us, Anthony.
Because there's too many cheetahs. Hi, kids. I'm Anthony. Today we're learning about the captivating letter C. C is for car. C is for cat.
Meow, 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 meow.
C is for cow. Okay, here's how you write an uppercase letter C. Make a big curved line like you're starting to draw a circle, but stop before closing it. Nice job. Now let's write a lowercase letter c. It's almost the same, but it's smaller. Make a small curved line and leave it open on the right side. Perfect. Now you know how to write an uppercase C and a lowercase c. Good job. Why did the cow go to outer space? So it could see the moon. Let's practice the sounds that the letter C makes. The letter C is a consonant, but incredibly it can make two different sounds. The letter C says k, k, like in the words car, cat, and cow. K. This is the hard sound of the letter C. The letter C also makes the sound s, s. This is the soft sound. You can hear the soft C sound of the letter C in a word like city. S, s, city. The hard sound for the letter C is k, k. The soft sound for the letter C is s, s. Good job. Okay, one last joke. What kind of car does a Jedi drive? A toy Yoda. A Toyota. Because of Yoda and Toyotas. Okay, it's time for some spelling practice. Spell the word car with me. Car. C-A-R. Car. Next up is the word cat. Are you ready? Cat. C-A-T. Cat. One more. Let's spell the word cow. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Good job. Keep practicing. Car. Cat. Cow. Here are a few words that we all should know just by looking at them. Let's see if you recognize any of these words. Can. Can. Can I help you? Yes. Yes, you can. I've lost my cat. Come. Come. Come with me. No, no, you come with me. Could. Could. I could be an astronaut. And I could be President of the United States. Call. Call. I'll call you tomorrow. Don't call me. I'll call you. Okay, time for our card game. I'll show you a word, but one of the letters is going to be missing. You figure out which letter is missing. Here's our first word. Which missing letter makes the word car? Did you choose the letter R? Great job. Car. Car. Next up, which missing letter makes the word cat? Did you choose the letter A? Good work. Cat. Cat. One last word. Which missing letter makes the word cow? Did you choose the letter C? Awesome. Good work. Cow. Cow. Great job today with the letter C. I'm gonna go meet some cats for a card game. Hope there's no cheetahs.